So, hey everyone, welcome back to the UC shop. This is Kasim. We have a new design, new collection, new color shade. This is a warm silk Banarsi, most trending and most in demand collection from Banaras. A fabric that everyone wants, lightweight, comfortable, easy to drape, everything that you want is in this sari. And the pattern is a handloom inspired design pattern. So let's just start showing you the very first color in this, and one of our most favorite color as well, bottle green with a contrast of yellow. The body design you'll be getting zari woven stripe design in the body with a jacquard in between with a contrast of yellow color border. This is a retrapatta border, most trending and most demanded retrapatta. This is the body. Have a look at the pallu. One of the most elegant and decent looking pallu. Zari woven floral design in the complete design with a stripe, a very decent and very sophisticated pallu also, and you'll be getting a brocade blouse. To keep it very simple, very elegant, we have tried to give brocade blouse in contrast shade. So this is the saree number 1. Fabric is warm silk, price is 1499. Shipping we always give free. You always know. So we have 5 colors in this. The very first you saw was bottle green. Coming to the next, this is also a very rare color we are bringing for the very first time. This is a mixture of sea green and a grey, a very dual color tone, a shade between grey and sea green. This is a very light pastel shade with a contrast of wine. In the border and pallu, you'll be getting this wine color contrast with a retrapatta border. This is a traditional retrapatta border. Have a look at the pallu. Simple, elegant, but very rich looking pallu, zari embossed floral design. And this will be the blouse, brocade design blouse. If you want to see more collections in the warm silk fabric, just go on our website and check out all the collections at one place. You can get it. So this was the second color. Now coming to the third. We also have been getting a lot of requests to make some changes in our videos, make some changes in the way we present or whatever. So if you have any suggestions for us, if you want us to change something, just let us know in the comment section. We'll definitely look into it and definitely get it changed for you. So the third color we have is a light green color shade, a mixture of sea green and a parrot green. In between color chart we have, this is all the colors we are trying to bring. Everything that is not what we are seeing in the market, everything a little bit off from the market. So this is green with a contrast of a very copper sulphate blue. This is the copper sulphate blue. Third color. Fourth color, this has also been one of our best selling colors, orange with a contrast of Rani. Just have a look. Body you'll be getting zari woven design, stripe design, orange body, and this is a Rani pink color border, traditional South Indian retrapatra border. This is the fourth color, orange with Rani pink. The price will be same for all, 1499. Shipping we'll always give free shipping. And if you want to take these collections for uniform orders, for bulk orders, we always are available to provide anything that you want. You can also contact on a WhatsApp for if you want anything for uniform, if you want anything for bulk, you can always reach to us. Fifth color we have sky blue border, a sky blue body with the orange color border, retrapatta traditional border and handloom inspired zari design. Fifth we have. Now coming to the sixth color. This I'll be opening because I'm liking this color very much. This is a Rani pink with a contrast of sky blue. Just have a look. Complete body in Rani pink color shade, border in sky blue color shade with traditional retrapatra pattern. This is the sixth color. Price 1499. Fabric is warm silk. Pallu is very decent, sophisticated, very rich looking pallu and a brocade blouse. If you like our videos, let us know in the comment section. Share our videos with your friends and family. Stay tuned, we'll be coming back soon.